The Azure Fundamentals certification is your first step into the world of Azure. But to pass, you need the right practice questions, ones that reflect Microsoft's actual exam style. In this video, we'll break down 5 key questions your practice test must have to ensure you're fully prepared. Let's get started. A good practice test isn't just about memorizing facts. It should test your ability to apply Azure concepts in real-world scenarios. Let's go through 5 key questions you should be practicing. Let's start with networking. What is the function of a site-to-site VPN? A. Provides secure remote access to a corporate network. Connects an on-premises VPN device to an Azure VPN gateway. C. Provides a dedicated private connection that does not travel over the internet. The correct answer is B. A site-to-site VPN securely connects an entire on-premises network to Azure, rather than just individual users. It allows companies to extend their infrastructure securely into the cloud. Next up, cloud service models. Microsoft 365 is an example of which cloud service model? A. Infrastructure as a service. B. Platform as a service. PaaS. And C. Software as a service. SaaS. The correct answer is C. Microsoft 365 is software as a service because users access it online without managing infrastructure or platforms. Knowing the difference between IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS is key for the Azure Fundamentals exams. Managing costs is a major focus of the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam. What can you use to make recommendations that reduce Azure costs? A. Azure Advisor. B. Log Analytics. C. Azure Service Health. D. The Azure Pricing Calculator. The correct answer is A. Azure Advisor helps you identify unused resources, optimize workloads, and lower costs. If you want to save money in Azure, this is an essential tool to know. Governance and compliance are important topics in the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam. You have a set of Azure policies. How do you group related policies together? A. Exemptions. B. Metadata. C. Parameters. D. Initiatives. The correct answer is D. In Azure, initiatives allow you to group multiple policies together. This makes it easier to enforce compliance across all your cloud resources. Let's talk about monitoring and analytics. Which 2 features integrate with Azure Monitor? A. Application Insights. B. Azure Advisor. C. Azure Status. D. Azure Service Health. E. Log Analytics. The correct answers are A and E. Azure Monitor collects and analyzes telemetry data. Application Insights tracks application performance. Log Analytics provides advanced data analysis for monitoring resources. If you want to pass the Microsoft Azure Fundamentals exam, practice with realistic, exam-style questions designed by experts. Check out the CertBoosters practice test to start practicing today.